today ang feature natin sa vlog natin ngayon ay ang background ko as a personal trainer, kung paano ko nakuha yung personal trainer course ko. So back in 2010, yung nagka-interest ako na kumuha ng PT courses. And nung nag-sign up ako sa Cayman Islands, ito yung Cayman Islands kasi is British colony. So yung nagpunta doon is si Kane Lytham, galing ng UK, under NABA, National Amateur Bodybuilding Association. And hindi lang yun ang represent niya. Under siya ng GB Fitness and NABA. So, upon signing up, binigyan niya kami ng very structured na very structured na course in respect to personal training. At makikita niyo dito, nakalagay dyan, GB Fitness and NABA Advanced Gym Instructor Course. Yeah. So, at the end of the day, meron din siyang binigay na booklet, which is, nung natapos na kami, nakalagay dito yung address, name ng person, saka yung address namin, other details. Ang scope nito is yung 2 weeks na scope ng gym instructor course is it covers the cardiovascular system, skeletal system, types of muscle fibers, muscle of the front and back, yung muscle classifications, blood vessels, the organs of the respiratory system, terms used to describe movement, energy system, nandito yung ATP, adenosine triphosphate, ADP, yeah. And ATP is the immediate usable form of chemical energy needed for muscle contraction and is stored in the muscle cells. ADP naman, adenosine triphosphate, cover din namin yung lactic acid system, anaerobic and aerobic system. Kasama rin doon yung water dehydration for male, female, and muscle hydration. 3 factors that would influence exercise: prescription and program design, the body composition and health, the ectomorph, mesomorph, endomorph, BMI, skin fold measurement, effective stretching, exercise with machine, body weight, and training principles. Na-cover namin lahat yan. And then, sa training principles, na-cover namin yung overload, adaptation, progression, specificity, reversibility, individual difference, concentric, eccentric, the isometric, isotonic, isokinetic, hypertrophy, hyperplasia, atrophy, the DOMS or DOMS, or delayed onset muscle soreness, the anabolism and catabolism. Cover namin yan lahat. Again, kasama dito yung repetition, range, basic, or basic range or repetition, the teaching sequence, the physiological training sequence, the agonies, antagonies, isolation exercise, and compound exercise. Full body program, split routine, 3-way, 5-way, condensed strength training routine. The common types of injuries, nutrition for results, nutritional advice, and basic nutrition for building a better body. Ito, ang coach namin dito na pinadala ng NABA is si Kane Lytham. Siya yung in charge ng, at that time, I'm not sure kung ano siya ngayon, pero siya yung nagbigay sa amin ng diploma sa course na to. So yun ang coverage basically ng advanced gym instructor course, yeah, ng NABA. Ito yung NABA is very prominent siya sa UK. Counterpart nito is yung NASM or ACE ng USA. So, pagkatapos nun is pag may pasama yung exam, ayan, ma-award ka niyan. Diploma, awarded to. Nandyan yung date ng personal trainer course mo at saka yung gaining mark mo. Nandyan, signed by Val Charles, NABA Secretary, and Brian Robinson, NABA Chairman. Si course instructor, Kane Latham. At the same time, meron din yung nutritional course after ng 2 weeks ng training sa personal training. We also did that one, so we can advise our client with basic nutrition. Kasama na yung program. So, ang sinasabi ko po dito, legit po tayo na personal trainer, talagang pumasok tayo sa course, binayaran natin, nag-test tayo, inaral natin, at nung naipasa natin sa exam, binigyan tayo ng diploma. So, we are legit, worldwide na magturo kung saan man. Hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, overseas pwede. As long as we have that diploma. Yan. So, halina kayo dito sa Tristan Fits and Gyms, San Narciso lang, Zambales. At may share natin yung knowledge natin sa PT. We can help you transform your body and transform your life. It is fitness beyond limits. Please subscribe, like, comments below, and para makapag-produce tayo ng mga quality na videos in respect sa fitness.